Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making sweet corn laddu. For this we require 150 grams of sweet corn, 100 grams of coconut, 50 grams of cottage cheese and 50 grams of desiccated coconut, dry fruit for garnishing, cardamom, sugar and clarified butter. Firstly, what we have to do is to grind the sweet corn into a paste. After grinding sweet corn, now grind coconut. Now take a pan or kadhai, add 1.5 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee, spread it all over the pan. Once ghee is hot, add sweet corn paste or grinded sweet corn and cook for about 1 minute till sweet corn change its color. Now add coconut paste or grinded coconut and cook till extra moisture evaporate. It will take around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 4 teaspoons of desiccated coconut and cook for another 1 minute. Now add 50 grams of grated cottage cheese, freshly grated cottage cheese, and cook till extra moisture of cottage cheese will evaporate. It will take around 1.5 minutes. Now add cardamom or elaichi. Mix it well and now add around 5-6 teaspoons of sugar and cook for further 2 minutes. And now add cardamom or cardamom powder. Put off the gas and let it cool down. Now shift it to another pan and make a small laddu by using your hand. Once your laddu is rolled, then roll it into desiccated coconut and garnish with dry fruits. So your sweet corn laddu is ready. It's very different, very yummy. Must try this. Please try sweet corn laddu.